Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Had the privilege working on this beautiful Street Glide from Maryland. The bike was fresh out of paint. Me and the client spoke back and forth over several emails. He decided to ship the bike to us and have us do the build. He was really concerned on bass. He definitely wanted the most space possible out of his bags, and I think we made him pretty happy. So the bike was flawless. Everything on the bike was either new or rebuilt. The paint work was amazing. This is how much attention to detail the client has. I was concerned with the overspray on the valve under the gas tank for the quick release for the hose. It's the only thing that gave me concern on the bike. After I mentioned it to him, within 24 hours, it was replaced with all brand new parts from the dealer. So this is the type of client that I'm dealing with. It was easy to deal with. Anything I recommended he did, the bike came out flawless. Check it out.
Esto se jodió, la vecina no sé qué bebió, el vecino no sé qué aprendió, a la gente no sé qué le dio, pero todo el mundo está loco, todo el mundo está loco, todo el mundo rayado del coco, y yo solo sé que montaron. No sé qué bebió, el vecino no sé qué aprendió, a la gente no sé qué le dio, pero todo el mundo está loco, todo el mundo está loco, todo el mundo rayado del coco, y yo solo sé que montaron.
It's our summer. Get up, it's when the good time. Jesus. They got no time, but they shine. She paid my rent, 'cause all my money spent. But that's okay, 'cause I'm still flying. I wanna take a gas in my new E-class, but that's alright. Baby mama plays where you can find me. Pushing through the parking lot on 24. Cadillac Escalade with the chromed out nose, with the navigation arrow headed straight to your spot where your wife.
player pays. Every night the player knows that's where all the honeys go.
Tryna pee what I do, tryna steal my move. 2500 for a new pair of tennis shoes. The same price I can make them youngins come and finish you. Though he being charged here, jewelry like a voodoo. Real dope boy, 100,000 in the visa. President's 10 slide by, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. I'm getting money like up on the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, this shit gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, come and scrape from the basement. I'm straight as a street, man, I come from the pavement. I mean,
get that nigga froze. Get that nigga froze. Yellow diamonds on me, but everything still on cold. Couple rappers do not like me, cause I fuck they hoe. Yeah, tricking on these bitches, that's something that I don't know. How to do. Yeah, it's a big difference way between me and you. I can show you how to hustle, how to ball, and how to shoot. Yeah, I can show you how to hustle, how to ball, and how to shoot. I've been doing this since a jit, little bitch. This shit ain't nothing